Welcome back to another video. I've got a really cool box from Peak Design, which I've been meaning to open for a minute and I haven't had a chance, but I'm really excited to open it today because this is a whole new set of Peak Design goodies. They've done a refresh of their bag lineup and all of the accessory cubes that come with it as well. So they've looked at the materials, they've looked at the functionality of their bags, and they've looked at how they can refine these and make them a little bit better, which one of the things I love most about Peak Design as a brand. They're always looking at how the things that they make can be used by creators, people who actually, make content for a living. They think about how we can make these things better for us. And that's a really cool thing about them as a company. I think they listen a lot to feedback, and you see that in each iteration of products that they bring out and in each line of products that they bring out as well. So let's just open all of these up. If you're familiar with Peak Design, they have a range of packing cubes that you can use to put things inside your bags. So if you just needed a light, really no fuss carry bag for, day trips or anything like that, then Peak Design has got you. So let's start with this ultralight packing cube, which is absolutely tiny. Has a zip there, and that is ideal for cables, for batteries, anything like that you could use. And it's got a nice kind of water resistant zip cover there, which I think is really nice and cool. So it's a nice little packing part of the packing cube. Here we have another part of the packing cube. What is this bit? So this is the XS 2.5 litre ultralight packing cube. That one was the double XS 1 litre packing cube. So let's look at the 2.5 litre. So this one, again, similar zip function. You've got nice, I wish I knew what this was called. Is it fused sealing? And again, you could use that for lenses. You could use that for other accessories, toiletries. Even if you're traveling, that would be a nice toiletry bag. Super lightweight. Looks water resistant, hydrophobic material. This one is the 10 litre S packing cube. And that one a bit larger, as you can see and expect. Exactly the same zip mechanism as the others. And it's got little anchoring loops as well for you to attach that in different ways to your bag or to other accessories. So that one's very nice. What is this one? Okay, so this is a rain cover for the thing that I'm most excited about. They call it the Rain Fly for the 45 litre backpack. And I mean, you know what that does. It's a rain cover for a backpack. Not that crazy. Let's get into the bits that I've been really looking forward to most. First, we'll start with the new Peak Design 7 litre outdoor sling. And I mean, other than the fact that I love their slings anyway, but this new Cloud, what they call Cloud, what is it called? Yeah, they call it Cloud. This new design that they've gone for with their updated range of slings and backpacks, this one is called Cloud. I absolutely love the look of it. It feels super futuristic, really contemporary, feels almost like hiking, climbing gear as well. And this is all weatherproof, all sealed. There are anchors throughout for securing accessories. Really lovely finish on the zips. And this is 7 litres of capacitive storage. So, you've got little webbed pockets here. You also have a zip internally for even more precious goods. And again, more webbed pockets and more anchoring so you can secure this to different things. Some free stickers. I like stickers, so thank you very much, Peak Design. and really nice padded finish to it as well. Just overall, I just think the design of this is just absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice job on that. Should we throw it on? Have a quick look at what it looks like on my body. So if I was to put that on, just nice, it fits really nicely, like right where you'd want it, just under your arm, nice and secure, nice and safe. If you were traveling, for example, all your goods are going to be really close to your body. Obviously, if you stick a camera in here, like I do with Lumix S5, fits in there nicely. It's pretty snug, but it fits. My camera is nice and safe. Again, like I said, close to your body where you'd want it. It's not hanging, it's not swinging, and I like it. Feels nice and secure. So that is an early win. But let's get on to the next thing. When I saw this announced on the Peak Design website, I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Here we have Peak Design's new 45-litre outdoor backpack, and this thing is absolutely packed full of features and functionality. But I mean, even just the detail and the finish on this is just insane. And it's actually got a rigid frame in it as well, so it will prevent your kit from being crushed, at least long ways, once it's in your bag. It's got a whole rigid frame, so that should keep your kit really safe and secure. Let's look at opening it. The material on here, again, is all weatherproof. So if you live in a really wet country like I do, this is a camera bag that I would use with full confidence. It should fit torso sizes 17 to 20 inches and waist sizes 24 to 52 inches. It should fit a 16-inch size laptop. I have a 16-inch size laptop, so that's perfect for me. Let's get the bag open while we're here. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot going on here. It opens from the back. So again, if you've got your kit loaded into it and you're wearing it, there's no way for anyone else to access the contents of the inside of your bag. So that opens out there. There's a lot of space. It also has a really neat top storage solution as well. So you pull on here and you can open it out like that. And that means if you wanted to increase the storage, you can roll it up as well, make the bag even taller. So I mean, that's ultimately how much space you'd have if you wanted to really pack this thing out all the way. Again, ideal for traveling. I mean, you could probably fit a small child in there, but don't recommend you do. But just saying, in terms of capacity, this is huge. You could put a lot in there, and the roll top closes. Let's get this out of the way. You guys can see a little bit better. So that's how big ultimately this bag can be, and it's a magnetic clasp there as well with a nice roll top, so you can increase or decrease the storage as and when you want. And then if you want to close it, you just pull on here and that pulls your bag closed nice and securely. And you've just got, I just love the design of it more than anything else. It looks super cool. Apparently I put backpacks on weird, but I don't know. What do you think? How's it look? Also, you've got a lot of back support here as well if you wanted to extend that. So you've got a lot of support for carrying heavy things, which I tend to do when I'm out and about carrying bags. What do you think of the look of it though? I think it looks really cool. And inside here, you've got a ton of storage as well in the front for other accessories, and for, say, if you got soaked in the rain, you want to put wet clothes in here, then even the inside of this is still water resistant as well, so that won't affect the stuff you have inside your bag as well, which I think is a really cool touch. You've got storage here for tripods and storage for hiking poles or any other long things you'd want to put in your bag. But there is just tons of space in this backpack. I honestly don't know. I can't imagine what you'd want to carry that wouldn't fit inside here. And opening and closing it is super easy. So what do you think of the look of this bag? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Really, really impressed with it. Super padded. I mean, this looks like it would be insanely comfortable. I am going to take this out today and start using it immediately because I'm excited to have it on. So what do you think of the new Peak Design Outdoor 45 litre backpack, especially in this cloud colorway? I absolutely love the look of it. I think it looks amazing. It seems really super secure. It seems comfortable. I'm gonna go out and use it from today. So I'll be able to give you guys any feedback that I have once I've had some time to live with it a little bit. As I said, I absolutely love the look of it. I think it's really clever. There's some nice, neat features built into it. I can't go through all of them in this quick video, but if you do have any questions, if there's anything specific you want me to check out, please let me know in the comment section. Share this video if there's anyone you know who you think might be into it as well. I'd really appreciate that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in another video.